Hi, Chris here for Tech, and in today's video I will show you how to log in into your computer with or without the password. Disclaimer, this video is not to show you how to log in if you forgot your password. I will do that in another video if you want to. Just leave a comment down below. So let's get started now. First things first, I'll show you that I do not have a password. So how to do that? You go to search or you type on your keyboard the window key and S, right? Once this window appears, just type user. You can see here you have changed your password, but we will go to sign in options. Once you are in sign in options, you can see you have different one. Alright, we are interested in this one, password. I'll show you later on in the video all the other options or some of them. Okay, so click on password with the left click. Alright, and you can see here that I do not have any password. Alright, I will show you later how to create one using this window. Alright, you have to click next, but for now we put cancel. So to reiterate, this was to establish that I do not have a password. Okay, so now on your keyboard you type the window key and R, alright, and this will bring the run command. Or you can go to the start over, and with your mouse you right click and left click on run, and there we are. So once you are on the run tab, just type in the word that appear on the screen or netplwiz and then press OK. In the new window you can see that users must enter a username and a password to use this computer. So I check it in, press apply and OK. And now you can go into setting either using the start menu like so, or by typing on the keyboard the window key and I. Alright, settings open and we go into account. Once we are into the account, we go to sign in option, select password and add. Then you type whatever password you want. I will type a simple one. As you can see, you have to repeat the password, and as you can see, it's a very simple one. Alright, you can put a password hints if you want to. Another very simple one. Click next. Once you are there, you can see your account is created. Just finish. Right. Once this is done, you can update your security questions if you want to. It will ask you for the password you just created, of course. Just make sure you remember it. And then, simple, you press the down arrow and select what questions you want and whichever answer you want. So let's have some fun. I had no pet, I had plenty, but whatever. For this one, what should I put? Oh, yeah, I know. I'm born in the forest. You like that? Anyway, for this one, oh yes, I show you if you do not select, or if you select something and then you decide you don't want, what will happen is it won't let you do so. Alright, the field, once you click in the arrow, must be filled in. Alright, as you can see, when I click on the finish one, nothing happened. So the schools, well, you put whatever answer you want. Then you click on finish. Once this is done, now we are set. Alright, if you want to know more about how to update the security, what for, you can do. So now let me restart. I will change the camera again. It won't be as nice this time, but well, this is from my phone. Bear with me. Yes, you can see the big scratch on my screen. It's a little bit annoying, I know, but I will change soon if I have enough money. Anyway, as you can see, the starting, it's very fast with this computer. I upgrade it. Soon I will post the how to, and here we are. I need to key my password. So if you remember, it's the very easy one. Just fill it in, then you press the submit button, and once you've done so, you are logged in. You just have to note that while you're typing, Windows still loads in the background, right? So let's go into the settings now using the shortcut account, sign in option, right, and password. Once we are there, if you want to change your password, you need to, of course, fill in first your password. Okay. And once you are there, if you want to remove the password, just simply do not need to key anything. You will have to click next, and there you can see, if you read on top, next time you sign up, use your new password, right? Select finish, and we are done. Another cool feature in Windows 10, it's the dynamic lock. Right, provided you have a Bluetooth connection. Let me turn it on, and now you can see why. That's very cool. Let me turn that off and go into the next steps, where we need to, on the keyboard, to press the Windows key and R. Just type in the word that appears on the screen, or netplwiz, and then press OK. In the new window, which is familiar now, just uncheck the box, click apply. Once you do so, he asks you for the password. Alright, this is another security to make sure. You just have to type in the password, click OK. Alright, let it do its things, and click OK again. Once we are there, we just have to restart the computer. Let's go with the restart once again, and see my beautiful scratch screen as usual. Once this is done, you will see at the start of the window that it won't ask me for the password anymore. Basically, in a few words, this was how to set the password, remove the passwords in Windows 10. I thank you for watching. Now you can do your YouTube things, which, as you can see, subscribe, like, and leave a comment if you want to, especially if you don't like the video, to let me know why you do not like it. Alright, that's it for today, and see you next week. Bye guys!